In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a username watermark to your Instagram Reels using the text tool. Start by opening Instagram, tap the plus icon, and choose Reel. From here, either record a new clip or upload one from your gallery. Once your video is in place, look to the top of the screen and tap the text icon labeled AA. This is where you'll create the simple, built-in watermark that helps protect your content and make sure viewers know where it came from. Type your username or your handle with the @ symbol. Keep it short and consistent with what you use across your social platforms. Then, pinch to resize the text so it's visible but not overpowering. Drag it into a corner, usually the top or bottom edge works well, leaving a little space from the borders so it doesn't get cut off on different screens. Choose a font that matches your style, but prioritize clear readability. Adjust the color and background if needed for contrast against your footage. If you prefer a subtle look, lower the opacity slightly so the text is present without being distracting. Next, set how long the text appears. Tap into the timeline for that text layer and drag the edges to choose its duration. If you want the watermark visible for the entire video, extend it to match the full length. If Instagram limits a single text layer for any reason, simply duplicate the text layer and place the copies back to back so the watermark covers the whole reel. You can also add a simple animation if you like. Something minimal, such as a quick fade, can look polished while keeping the focus on your content. When you're happy with the text, tap Done. Now preview your reel from start to finish. Watch for any moments where the watermark might cover important action, built-in captions, or on-screen elements. If you spot an issue, jump back into the text editor to nudge the placement, tweak the size, or fine-tune the timing until everything feels balanced and legible. Finally, proceed to post your reel. Your watermark will carry over on exported versions, which is helpful if people save or share your video outside the app. It's a simple step that adds a layer of branding and credit to your work without any extra software. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.